So now, first and foremost, we're gonna just put those aside and get started with the courgette. So we will be making courgette spaghetti with this nice, lovely, and I will be using my little Andy spiralizer. That's my courgette spaghetti. So as you can see, my salmon is nicely clean and the skin is still on because I want it. So guys, now we're gonna make the Now we'll be spreading it over in the sauce. So the skin side down first. It. You make sure it's all there in the boiling water. I'm just gonna cover it and let it stay there and let it steam. As you can see, our salmon is almost there. It's ready, guys. So all I'm gonna do is just pop these tomatoes in there like that. Just gonna be doing with it. Now it's time to check on our spaghetti, and I'm just going to be adding my intermediate beans in there, and then I'm just going to bring it all together. Here's my spaghetti, and it's very easy and simple to prepare.